Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 10. Sa video na ito, ipapakita natin kung paano gamitin ang Archived Barangay Certificates section sa Barangay Services Management module. Ang section na ito ay ginagamit para i-store ang lahat ng generated barangay certificates. Every time a certificate is generated, the system creates an archived record, including its certificate details and version information. Una, mula sa BIMS main dashboard, buksan ang Barangay Services Management tile. Pagbukas ng Barangay Services screen, pumunta sa Archived Barangay Certificates section. Dito makikita ang table ng mga previously generated certificates. The table may show important information such as ID, full name, purpose, address, version, content mode, generated at, and available actions such as print and delete. Ang purpose ng archive section ay to maintain a history of all issued certificates. This is important because the barangay may need to reprint, review, or verify certificates that were already issued before. This section also supports version control. Kapag ang isang certificate ay generated again, the system creates a new version instead of simply overwriting the old record. The most recent certificate version is automatically identified as latest. This helps users know which version is the current official version. Older versions may still remain available for historical tracking. This is useful kapag may correction, update, or change in the certificate content because the previous versions are not immediately lost. To use this section, locate the certificate in the table. You may check the resident name, purpose, generated date, content mode, and version column. After finding the correct certificate record, click Print. The system will reproduce the selected certificate version exactly as it was issued. This means the printed output is based on the archived certificate content, not on a newly edited record. This is important for consistency, audit, and documentation. There is also a delete action, but this should be used carefully. According to the version control rules, every generated certificate creates a new version, and the most recent version is protected. Only non-latest versions can be deleted. The latest version is protected and cannot be deleted, so the official current reference remains preserved. Deleting old versions is optional and mainly used for cleanup. In many cases, it is better to retain old versions for historical record and traceability. Sa right side, makikita ang Archived Barangay Certificates Help Panel. It explains what this section does, how to use it, available actions, version control rules, important notes, tip, and system impact. The most important reminders are always identify the correct certificate version before printing, retain at least the latest version for official reference, and remember that archived certificates support auditability and traceability. In summary, ang process ay simple. Open Barangay Services Management. Go to Archived Barangay Certificates. Locate the certificate in the table. Check the version. Identify the latest record if needed. Then click Print. The Archived Barangay Certificates section helps the barangay preserve certificate history, support reprinting, protect the latest version, and maintain official documentation records. Sa next how-to tutorial, pag-aaralan naman natin ang Barangay Activity section. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to view and print archived barangay certificates. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com. Tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS App po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.